Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get an Excel sheet on one page. First, navigate to the Page Layout tab in your Excel workbook. Here, you can choose your preferred page orientation, either portrait or landscape, depending on your data's layout. Next, define your print area by selecting all the cells you wish to include on your single page. This ensures only relevant information is printed. Now let's tackle scaling. Within the Page Layout tab, locate the Scale to Fit group. Here, you can easily set both the width and height to one page to automatically fit your content. If you need more control, you can also manually adjust the scale percentage. This allows for precise adjustments, ensuring everything fits perfectly without distortion. To further optimize your sheet, consider your print area and margins. If you've previously set a print area, you might want to clear it and redefine it for your current needs. Next, adjust your page margins to create more space or reduce white borders around your data. Always use the Print Preview function to visualize how your sheet will look before printing. This step is crucial for catching any layout issues. Before printing, always perform a final review in Print Preview to ensure everything is exactly as you want it. Once satisfied, save your workbook. This will preserve your print settings for future use. Getting your Excel sheets to print perfectly on one page can save a lot of time and paper. For more helpful tips and other great deals, including an amazing robot vacuum that cleans your home effortlessly, check the description below. It's a fantastic way to upgrade your smart home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.